Let's illustrate how far NLP has come and how much it interacts with our everyday lives with a few examples. One key example is search engines that will use NLP to understand a user's query and provide relevant search results. NLP techniques are used to extract keywords, understand the intent of the user's query, and return relevant and matching web pages. Another great example is how your email account can automatically detect spam emails. Classification algorithms can be used to find patterns that differentiate between unwanted and legitimate emails. Customer support systems and chatbots also use NLP to understand customer queries. Data scientists can build conversational agents that can understand what the customer is asking for and provide relevant responses back. There are so many more examples that we can go through, and I encourage you to try and think of a couple more. At the end of this course, you'll have the initial building blocks to start building your own NLP solutions.